Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge with Nutella. Measure ingredients first and line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment to prevent sticking. Melt chocolate and Nutella gently over low heat while stirring constantly for a glossy finish. Pour into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and chill until firm. Cut into squares and serve at room temperature for the best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make fudge with Nutella. Start by gathering all ingredients on the counter so nothing is forgotten. Combine chocolate chips, Nutella, and sweetened condensed milk in a heatproof bowl. Stir while gently heating to avoid scorching and achieve a silky, uniform mixture. Once smooth, remove from heat and add any optional mix-ins like chopped nuts or a pinch of sea salt. In this video, I will show how to make fudge with Nutella. Melt everything gently, then transfer to a prepared pan and level the surface for neat squares. Pop the pan in the fridge and wait patiently for the fudge to set properly. When firm, use a sharp knife warmed under hot water for clean cuts. Enjoy small portions because this treat is rich and satisfying, and store leftovers tightly covered.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.